Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to talk to you girls and have a quick fun video on Dooney and Bourke. If you like Dooney and Bourke bags, come on back to my channel, stick with me, hit like and subscribe, check out my playlist on Dooney and Bourke. Let's go ahead, let's get started talking about these two lovely bags. So today I have the Dooney and Bourke Flynn bag right here in the multicolor shiny it. And I also have my Dooney and Bourke satchel right here. I wanted to talk to you girls because for the past week or so, I've been using this Dooney and Bourke Flynn bag as my work bag at work. So initially when I purchased this bag, I honestly loved it. I got a great sale price on it. However, when I got it, I was like, man, this is a big bag. The Flynn is a big bag. And now though, since I've been using it for work, actually the heavy dutiness of the shiny it collection on the Flynn, it's not like it's in Florentine leather or Emerson leather or another type of leather. This shiny it material for the Flynn or for some of your bags is so heavy duty that I have found that this has been a really good work bag for me. And I thought it would be too big and cumbersome. The Flynn, I thought it would be a little bit too big and cumbersome, but actually you can see all my work stuff right here that I've had in this bag, and it's really served me well. But now I'm getting ready to switch over to my Dooney and Bourke Florentine satchel in red. So let's go ahead and talk about this really quickly. So the first thing that I wanted to say is I had several things for working here, and I'm going to switch over to other items for my satchel. So I have my Victoria's Secret pouch right here that I'm carrying, you know, my makeup and using it as a makeup case. I have a mask case right here, and I need to put this extra mask in there, as well as I have my prescription glasses by Coach, and then I have my Ray-Ban sunglasses. So I have my Ray-Ban sunglasses in here as well, because at work I always need, you know, when I'm driving and stuff, sometimes I always need sunglasses while I'm at work. So, plus sometimes I just like to be incognito at work. So I have both sets of glasses with me. Next I have a bottle of water, and also I have my Dossier perfume. This perfume smells so good. I am a Dossier ambassador, and I'll have my discount code linked down below for you. Also check out Frances's channel, Happiness Sparkle. She does a lot of videos on Dossier, and they're very good videos talking about the different perfume notes. This particular one is Oriental Cherry. It smells so good. The notes on this are so beautiful, and I did have this on at work the other day and someone complimented me on it, but it smells so good, and I just love Dossier. So I brought my Dossier perfume with me to work. And of course I have a planner with me. So I just have my Run DeVoe planner. I love these planners. They're so cute with all the girls. I love how inspirational they are. They're just really like, you know, girl power. And I always love the fashion illustrations in these planners. So I enjoy using these. They have positive affirmations as well as just nice pictures of the women all bonded together. So I love that. And then this went with another bag that I purchased. It came with my Dome Satchel by Dooney and Bourke in the Shiny It, from the Shiny It line. But of course it goes with my Flynn. So I just tossed that in my bag. And then I have a half-eaten bag of kisses right here. Chocolate, I'm a chocolate fanatic and fiend. I always have to have some chocolate with me. And girl, I found some White Castle coupons in the bottom of my bag along with some receipts. So, you know, anytime I could clip coupons from any restaurant, fast food, if it's one that I enjoy, like Portillo's or I don't know, even heck McDonald's, White Castles, any fast food restaurant, I'm your coupon girl for that. So I have those and some Nivea lotion. So that's everything that I had in my handbag for work, as well as I still have a couple of receipts right here. And I have a twist tie for my hair, because sometimes at work I like to put my hair up in a bun or in a ponytail or in an updo. So this Dooney and Bourke Flynn, when I tell you I like it because it's wipeable. I was able to just wipe the bag off when I got home. You know, each time after every wear, I just go ahead and wipe it off in this material, and I don't have to worry about it. And it wears so well. You could have these bags for years and they look like new. The Shiny It bags wear so well. So this is the Flynn, and like I said, at first I thought this was gonna be too large for me, but no, at work it carries everything I need. It has the leather straps, so it's accented with the leather straps. And here's the lovely red interior, and she's nice and clean in there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning her out just a little bit before I put her up for storage so that she'll be ready when I'm ready to use her again next time for work. Is there something still in there? Oh, that's just my D-ring. The D-ring was knocking around in there because I'm like, did I leave something else in there? So that is my bag that I was using for work. The bag that I'm going to be switching into is my lovely Dooney and Bourke satchel right here in Florentine leather in the beautiful red. I love this bag so much. So let's go ahead and get her ready to move into. I'm going to take everything out of her. I had her stuff. The only thing still in here is her strap. So I still have her strap in there. And I probably have her dust cover, and I store my bags with all the original paperwork. So I still have all the original paperwork from when I originally purchased this bag from Dooney and Bourke. I think this is going on several years now for this bag. So this is what the interior of this lovely girl looks like in there. And I could smell, because she's been put up in my closet for, for a while. I haven't used her for a while. I mean, she smells so good. She smells so good in there, you guys. And I love the green along the edge of the lip of the bag. This suede leather is just so beautiful on all the Dooney and Bourke satchels. So the items that I plan on bringing along with me, I have them right here. Let's go ahead and see what I'm going to pack her with. So I have the items right here, you girls, that I'll be packing her with. So I'm just going to do a quick little switch out. So instead of the Dossier perfume, this time around, I'm going to bring my Yes I Am by Cacharel. I'll be bringing my Cacharel Yes I Am perfume with me. And instead of my Victoria's Secret pouch in the black right here, I'm going to go ahead and put all the items from this cosmetic bag into my Estee Lauder cosmetic bag. And I think that's going to look so, so cute with this bag. I'm going to go ahead and put all my items out of that makeup bag into my Estee Lauder makeup bag right there. Also, I'm going to be bringing with me my Dooney and Bourke Florentine Kiss Lock Corn Purse. Now, I have to go ahead and do all of this off camera. I just wanted to show you girls the accessories that I'm going to be using this time with this particular satchel. So that's what I'm going to be using with this particular satchel. Right here. And then I am going to go ahead and toss in, just because it's red, my juicy, this is a little juicy couture. I could use this as a coin purse. I could use it as a card case. Just another little catch-all in my bag. And then I have some snacks with me that I'm going to be bringing with me. I have some mints and some gum. I'm going to go ahead and bring that with me as well. So let's go ahead and pack her, and I'll come back and show you girls what everything looked like. All right, my ladies, I'm back, and I have my bag all packed right here. So everything is in here, and I think it worked out pretty good. Let me go ahead and show you girls how I have everything that I switched over into in there. And she's not stuffed. I still have some room for other items. So this is what everything looks like in there when I got through stuffing her. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some things out so you can see, and I have a lot of room left in there. So everything that we talked about is in here. So the first thing is my cosmetics case. Now I have all the items from my black cosmetic case switched over into my lovely Estee Lauder makeup case. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Then I have my Kiss Lock Corn Purse, and I have my items in my Kiss Lock Corn Purse. So it worked out with that. And then I just think I have some snacks in here. I have my mints and the gum that I'm going to be bringing with me. And I have the corn purse that I'll be using is the Juicy Couture corn purse, as well as I have the Cacharel perfume that I'm now going to be using. I love this perfume bottle. I love collecting perfume bottles as well. So that's everything now that I'm going to be using in this lovely Dooney and Bourke satchel for work. Thank you girls for hanging out with me while I switched over from my Dooney and Bourke Flynn bag that I was carrying for work, and now my Dooney and Bourke satchel in the lovely red. I enjoy both of these handbags